everyone, Ryan from Taylor Racing, and we are at the West Texas Super Show. It's a car and truck show, motorcycles, customs. It's actually really cool, and luckily I had a VIP hookup a little bit, so we got here before the crowds showed up. So we're here actually before it really opens, so I can give you a really good look at a bunch of the cars without having to fight a bunch of the people and having people in the way when I try to film. And yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. Once again, we're in Midland. Well, actually, we're in Odessa, Texas, 2025, June 21st at Odessa at the Expo Center. And they have the West Texas Super Show. So a bunch of cool cars, trucks, motorcycles, toys, a lot of cool stuff. So stick around. I hope you like the video. It might be long, might be short, I'm not too sure. But anyways, hope you enjoy. Cheers. All right, guys, that's the show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, one of my favorite trucks. I'm not sure if it's a 48, 1950, 52. This one's a Chevy with the 5-window wraparound windows. I've actually absolutely loved these trucks, and I used to have one back in the day for a short bit, like a hot minute. I had one. It was nearly not as nice as this one. It was a bit of a fixer-upper. Mine was a 52 GMC with the wraparound windows, and I absolutely loved it. So it's one of my favorite trucks. I'm going to end it off here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, everyone. Cheers.